guys, it's part 2 of the unboxing of the Michaels boxes. Let's get going.
Okay, on to box number 4. Here is box number 4. Let's see. Okay, we got something that's broken here with, I guess it was supposed to be like a button container. I don't see a price, and just one random red flower. I do like these. I do use pine cones a lot. This says $6 for these glittered pine cones. A box of Christmas cards. A yearly reunion in the heart and in thought, renewing the friendship and joys that have brought. $15 for 6 cards. Foam stickers of like the nativity, so that I will be donating to a preschool. Some more llama stickers. Little dog stickers and cute stickers that are gingerbread people. And some of these. Tiny Treasures Christmas balls. Llama cookie cutters. You get, this is $5 on these. Another pack of red Christmas envelopes. I have more red envelopes than I'll know what to do with. I guess this is a silicone mold, $5, and this is llamas. Oh, these are kind of cute. My daughter will like these. They're little unicorn sticks, and they're $5.99, and we got 3 of them. And then this cute dog one, that's a Saint Bernard. That's a $7.99. Ooh, and my favorite, angel wings, $3.99. And another dog one. This is really cute. It looks like a vintage little like truck thingy. No price. I'm sure it must have went to something else, but that we got. And then, what is this? Holly Jolly Avenue. It says $16 on it. And this one says North Pole Road, $16. So I'll have to turn these into like wreath decor and whatever that I make. This is one of those little magic towels that you like put in the water, $1. Some gold teardrop shaped ornaments, and that says $8. Another pack of that melty bead kit that I don't even know what it is, but I have a ton of these I'll have to be donating. And one more Christmas cactus looking plant thingy-me-jaw thing here. And a random strand of gold balls on a stick. That says $6. So I mean, there's some good stuff in here, and then there's some junk in here. So whatever I don't use, I will donate, and whatever we do use, I will keep. But the pine cones were pretty good in the sign, so I take that as $4. That was worth it for that box. Box number 5. Let's see, what's it? Box number 5. Okay, this one looks cute. This we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, wait, 8. Okay, so wait, there's 8 of those, 8 of these. little white shimmery twigs, and they say $2.99 each. And I do a lot of floral making and wreath making, so that I will keep. This does not have a price tag on it, but there's 3 of these little glitter majava things. 1 pick of like snowflakes, no price. This is a coiled garland that says $12.99 in the white with the pretty glistening snow on it. That's really cute. Oh wait, there's more of those. 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. So I have 5 of those snowflake ones, and those are $2.99 each. So that's really cute. Another one, it's kind of unrolled, but another one of those garland ones. And those say, how much are those? $12.99. A letter X ornament. Know nobody with the name X, so that'll be getting donated. And that says $8. What else? More of those llama beads. That could go in that box. And a bunch of more of those llama stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4 more packs of those at $3 each. More mousse cookie cutters. I guess I will be donating a ton of cookie cutters. $2 each for those. More silver teardrops. 1, 2 of those, and those were $8 each. This is some kind of puzzle toy. Don't know really what it is, honestly. Some squishy Santa thing. Don't know what that is. An opened pack, and they're missing a gumdrop candle thingies. What is this? A fossil. Box of fossil. There's only 1 in there. Tiny Treasures Christmas Noel Star Ornament, $5. A box of Christmas cards. Each year at Christmas, the spirit of giving adds joy to the season and gladness to the living. These are kind of cute. They're just like little snowmen one. $15. Gold ornaments. That says $10. What on earth is this? I don't even know what this is. Some plastic. What is this? Some plastic thing. I don't even know what this is. It looks like dividers, maybe for inside those plastic coat things they have. I'm not even sure what that is. Oh boy, look at this. And another sign. So now I got 2 of these that were $40. Those heavy duty Holly Jolly Farm thingies. Good Lord. What is down in here? Oh, some washi tape. This one has like, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, and it has like Christmas drinks and stuff on it, and they say $5. And then this one is just like little pretty ones. $5. More llama stickers. 2 more of them. Add that there. A snowman cookie cutter. Okay, we're finally getting. Oh boy, here's more llama stickers. 1, 2. Oh wait, here we got some other stuff now. Flamingos and unicorns. 1, 2, 3, 4 more of those. These little craft things that you can fill up, DIY ornaments. There is a gingerbread, a Santa, and a stuffed bear, like a teddy bear. That says $10. Another mousse cookie cutter. And some more die cuts. This is clear stamp die cut. There's a dog and a house. I don't even know how to use die cut, but okay, let's see what else. This wind up something. teddy bear thing. More loose cookie cutters. Oh, and another angel wing. $3.99. And another box of the sticker roll. And I don't know what these little block things are. Not really sure what on earth that is. But this was a decent box just for this. And the extra sign. Okay, and we are going to open up the last box, box number 6. So, let's see. And this one's heavy. Box number 6 it is. Let's see. Let's see. Oh boy, we've got quite a variety in here. Okay, we got 2 more of those DIY ornaments for $10. A reindeer antler, 2 reindeer antlers, a box of tapered candles, unscented. It says $7. This looks like it's been smashed up a little. A peppermint marshmallow. I guess it was supposed to be, oh, it's candy. Marshmallow with candy. Well, that we won't be eating that. The letter P that lights up. I don't know anybody with the name P or the last name P. More llama toys. This is a Tiny Treasures llama. I don't know. And it says $9. Like, who would pay these prices for these things? It's beyond me. Then this is a puffy sticker Christmas cocktail drink stickers. Tiny Treasures pom-poms, $5. This I'll probably use in a craft. That's kind of good. Oh gee, and they were even kind enough to put in the empty tape roll dispenser that they use to tie their boxes up. Here's another pom-pom. A roll of, oh, this matches my Christmas tree color. $15 for this ribbon, like a magenta wired ribbon. A Christmas mug, All is Merry and Bright, $4, and this said $15. A broken cactus, but I guess we could reuse the glass thing. I don't know. If not, trash it goes. Another cactus, $10. I guess I'm going to be having a yard sale with cactus things. I don't know. Here's another pom-pom, so that makes 3. Another cactus, $10. Another bag of pine cones, $6. More cocktail stickers. I don't really know what these Tiny Treasure little ball things are. And they wanted $4 for this, but still, I don't understand who would pay. I can't believe they actually put the old world paint thing, tape. Gee, another pack of red envelopes. We are going to have quite a collection. More cookie cutters. You get 5. It's $5 for 3 snowmen cookie cutters. This is some more die cuts, clear stamp. And this one just has like Noel, peace, joy, and like the flowers. We got 2 of those at $10, 3 of those, 4 of those. Oh boy, and more of those instant bows. So you got $15. We got 2 more of them. I'm running out of room here. snowman cookie cutter, and another snowman cookie cutter. We got 3 sets of those. This one is more washi tape, and this one says looking sharp this holiday, and it's got like cactuses and like that pink color. Another silicone mold. If anybody's interested in any of this stuff, hit me up in the comments. I'll probably sell it to you real cheap just to get rid of it, because like what am I going to do with all this stuff? Or if anybody's a teacher or something, let me know. I'm probably going to donate a lot of this. Merry Christmas postcards. You get 12 of them. I could probably use this for my Etsy shop. These are $5. I can write like a thank you or something on them. 1, 2 of these. 1 of these. Let's see. Another llama person thing. I guess this is a wreath holder. It's kind of heavy duty. Wreath hanger. And let's see, we got 2 of these, and 1, 2, 3 of this snowman sticker things, and then 1 more. I already showed the cocktail one. 1 more of the gingerbread one, and these will all say they're $2.50 each and $3 each. And last, oh wait, and there's another pack of stickers buried under here. Let's see what this one was. Sweaters, $3. And another pack of Christmas cards, the same pattern. Still don't know what these bowl things are. I don't know. So that is it for my Michaels grab bags. It's hit or miss. Honestly, last year's boxes to me that I did last Christmas were way better. I had so much more Christmas decor in them that I utilized. It was big things of balls and wreaths and mini trees and those yard lights. But the metal signs I thought were really good. Some of the Christmas picks I thought were really good. These instant bows are really going to come in handy. The envelopes will come in handy. I honestly don't know what I'm going to do with all these die cut things. I guess I'm probably going to do either another mystery box sale on eBay. Those seem to sell really well. And some of the stuff I'll donate to a local preschool or something like that. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Give this video a thumbs up and like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And hurry up and hit Michaels. $4 grab bags. Maybe your Michaels in your state is better. I have been watching some of the other videos, and a lot of other women have been getting some really nice Christmas stuff. I live in New Jersey, the tri-state area, and our stores we're inundated with people and picked clean because everyone actually buys at the 70, 75, and 80% off, and they literally clean the shelves. So this is just what's left. So maybe in your state you're lucky enough to not have that much volume in the store and you can really score some pretty stuff. Mine was pretty much picked clean. But anyway, that's it for the grab bags. It was worth $25. I'm sure I have $25 worth of stuff that I'm going to keep. And the rest, like I said, I'll donate or do another mystery box on eBay. So talk to y'all soon. See you in my next video. Bye.